Okay, so now we're gonna kind of do this process for a drill beat. When I was making the video kind of before, I was doing like a basic trap beat, but I want to show kind of the process for a basic drill beat. It's very similar. We're gonna go to Google and find actually a different kind of loop if you want to do drill music. And I'm just gonna put like drill. Actually, we'll put Looperman. Yeah, Looperman drill melody like that. See, it even auto completes it. I'm gonna go here. And I'm just gonna look for something that I like here. So let's look at this. Eh. Yes, I actually like this a lot. It's at 140 BPMs. Download. Download. Again, we're looking for sounds that are typical of the style, right? I mean, the loop has to fit the style, and so do the sounds that we're about to put in our channel rack too, right? So I'm going to drag this in, line it up, make sure that when I play it, see, my session's already at 140, so I'm good here, but if it wasn't, I would have to change that to be 140. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to put pattern 1 into my sequencer here, just like that, and I'll just kind of extend it a little bit, right? Then what I want to do, which I actually started to do before this video, is I need to find the drill sounds, and this took a bit of digging for me, because as you can see, I have like a lot of different sounds here, so I wanted to kind of skip that process and just show you. I have a really good, nice, hard sounding kick. The hi-hat is like a pretty sharp, crisp sounding, hip hop, trap, drill. And then I have this snare, which is really important. There's a lot of drill music that has, that kind of a snare in it. Cool. Then we go back to this open cymbal thing. And we're going to use that open cymbal thing on a lot of our like bigger moments. So drill music is really complex. This beat that I'm about to put in here, using my glossary, my channel rack glossary here from the beat maker page, the book, and I'm putting in the thing where it says basic drill beat, and I'm gonna just kind of put everything in here. Maybe I'll start and do my entire hi-hat here, 2 into the red and 2, and then red and a red, and then boom, boom, and then into the red, and then boom, and then boom, and then a little chicka right there. And then I have here on 2, and here right here. And then my open cymbals are going to happen right with my bass drums right here, right here, right here, and right here. Whatever your process is for putting this in. And then if we look at our pattern 1, it's not the same length. So what I'm going to do actually is just kind of select it and hit Command B like that. So it's the same length. And then I'm going to listen to it. I actually really like how that sounds. Now again, your experience with drill music might be a little bit different, but this is, I'm liking how this sounds. So the next step is going to be to arrange it, which I showed in step 10 of the other video, but I'm going to actually just kind of just put it here also. So I'm going to take pattern 1, I'm going to right click it, I'm going to hit split by channel, I'm going to go in here, select everything, drop it back in, make sure it's all the same length. It is. And then I'm going to hit Command B so it's the same length. So that's Command B on a Mac and Control B on a Windows. Then I'm going to select everything, which I did by clicking and holding Command on a Mac, Control on a Windows. I'm going to hit the Command/Control B key again, just 4 times. I mean, you can do it a bunch if you want to. It doesn't really matter. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let my beat play a little bit. And then, you know, what I might have is I want to create some kind of a drop. So I have everything kind of here, and I might, you know, just kind of leave a couple things out. Or maybe what I might even do is, you know, bring this here. Let's just see how this sounds. We'll see if we like it. It's kind of like a introduction. Right, and you have this like cute little mini drop thing, not anything to write home about, but it works. And you could send this to somebody to kind of give them an idea of what you're doing, maybe make it a little more intricate. The last step is if I did want to share this, I'd go over to File, click, and I would hit Export to MP3 file, save it as like FL Basic Drill. I like to throw everything on the desktop so it's easy to find. Hit save, then this window pops up, and next you're gonna hit start. Don't background render because that just takes a little bit longer. Go, it's gonna make a noise, and then we know it's done, and that's it, and we have, you know, we have our beat. So there you go.